Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of dealing with unstable ignition and idling vibration in your classic ride? I've got a solution for you. Check out the Fit for 94 to 97 Cadillac Buick Camaro Caprice distributor from ADMCXFY. This product has been a game changer for me, and I'm excited to. The Fit for 94 to 97 Cadillac Buick Camaro Caprice distributor is a top-rated product that's easy to set up and assemble, making it a breeze to get your engine running smoothly. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear why it's so popular. One of the key benefits of this distributor is that it distributes ignition signals to each cylinder in an orderly manner, which improves unstable ignition and idling vibration, resulting in a smooth engine operation. You'll notice the difference as soon as you start the engine. It's like a purr, not a rough idle. The precise cylinder block mounting allows for direct replacement of faulty parts, and the easy disassembly and assembly mean you won't have to make significant adjustments to your engine bay wiring. This distributor also withstands high temperatures and vibrations in the engine bay, ensuring stable internal signal transmission and reducing driving problems such as misfires and weak acceleration. The Fit for 94 to 97 Cadillac Buick Camaro Caprice distributor also balances ignition timing for each cylinder, optimizing fuel combustion and mitigating power loss and abnormal exhaust emissions. You'll feel the difference when you're driving. The car will accelerate more smoothly and have more power. This product is also compatible with many older gasoline-powered vehicle models, making it a great option for those looking to restore their ignition system's performance. Overall, I highly recommend the Fit for 94 to 97 Cadillac Buick Camaro Caprice distributor. It's a great product that will make a big difference in your driving experience, so why not give it a try? If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.